Let's go together. I show you now. Here is the main street of Medjugorje. If you want to have a parking, you see there's parkings here, but there's also a special place next to the church, and we go together to see where the parking is. It's on this side. Going down the road. And we find the parking behind, the big parking behind the church. You see, you have Saint James Church in front of you, and we go on the right here, where the cars go, and I show you the parking. Main street, Saint James Church. Hard for me to spell it, to speak it. I mean, this is a very nice man from here. Hello. You have shops on this side. All the cafes and hotels here, and we go down this road, and you will find a nice big parking. You see another hotels here as well, and shops on this side, and we go further down this road, and you will find the parking, which is down over there. Hello. That's a German friend living here. You see here, you can see St. James Church again. There are also the toilets on this side of the sanctuary. You see here. Then we go down this road, and you see crepes over there on that side. Hotels. And we go further on down the road to go to the parking, to show you the big parking lot behind the church. Hello. Further down the road, and you will see there's the toilets on this side. And then we go further down the road to get to the parking lot. It's just over here. The parking lot is over there. You also have, like, if you have any medical problems, you see here's the sanctuary from the back. You see the altar, Our Lady. The open altar, you say, no? You have here help, medical help. And then we go to the parking lot, which is over here. You see here is the beautiful parking lot for buses, cars. Here we are. You can see it. There's the sanctuary in the back. It's over here. And I'm looking for my friends. They should be somewhere around here. Check it out where they are. Because we are going on a special trip today. And I have to find their car. The car is already here. And I leave you with this beautiful view. Here's the sanctuary in the back. So you can be buses, everything is around here. Enough space. A lot of buses you see. And the sanctuary is over here. And a parking lot.